Hello everyone. This video demonstrates how to enable and configure the MARC Records profile for all collections in WorldShare Collection Manager Fundamentals. Libraries using Collection Manager Fundamentals enable MARC Records to receive WorldCat records for titles in OCLC cataloged knowledge base collections. The process begins with confirming or selecting the OCLC symbol to use. Then choose to enable MARC Records for all collections and configure the settings for Collection Manager Fundamentals to deliver WorldCat records for titles across all your library's OCLC cataloged collections. Last, sign up for reports to be notified when records are ready for download. After you have enabled and configured MARC Records for all collections, create or select collections and enable MARC Records for each collection. This video will focus on enabling and configuring the MARC Records profile for all your collections in Collection Manager Fundamentals. Let's step through the process in Collection Manager Fundamentals. Using a browser like Firefox or Chrome, log on to the WorldShare platform with your library-specific URL. Once logged on, click Metadata Link, click Collection Manager Fundamentals to expand the panel. Navigate to Institution Settings to see all the available options. First, check the OCLC symbol to be used. Expand the OCLC symbol's accordion. Confirm the OCLC symbol being used for MARC Records. Next, click MARC Records accordion to enable MARC Records for all collections. Select Yes to indicate that you want to enable MARC Records and to begin configuring MARC Records profile for all collections. Under Customize Records, let Collection Manager Fundamentals know what information to add or remove from the MARC Records before they are delivered. The information under All Collections section will apply across all your library's OCLC cataloged collections. A holding library's code is a 4-character code that can be used in the 049 field to identify a location, a collection, type of material, or a branch library. You can use main here or opt to not use a holding library code by leaving the field blank. In the Delete Fields, Delete Subfields, and Add Fields section, the system will process fields or subfields you want to delete from the records. Then it will process any fields you want to add to the records. This way, the system will not inadvertently delete fields or subfields you want added to the records. To remove an entire field from a record, select the desired field from the tag dropdown of the Delete Fields section. If the system encounters any of the selected field in the record, it will be deleted. Instead of deleting an entire field, you can delete just a subfield. Select 650 from the tag dropdown, then any indicators, and finally select subfield V from this subfield dropdown. Notice the configured 650 field with the subfield V to be removed from all records. Use the Add Fields section to add fields to records for all collections. Such fields can be a local subject heading in a 690 field or a local note in a 590 field containing custom text from your collections. To add information to a record, simply enter the tag in the text box, for example, 690 field, and select the desired indicators from the drop-down. Then select subfield A from the subfield drop-down. Select the information to add into the value field, such as enter free-form text. Last, enter the text to be added in this field, such as OCLC training reference. Use the corresponding plus and minus signs next to each field, subfield, or value to add additional rows for value, subfield, or field. When you click the plus sign in the row with the tag 690, a new field is added and ready for inputting data. Add a 590 tag in this new field with the subfield A to add a local note from a collection custom text. You can use the custom text labels already created or define a new label. Click the plus sign to add a new label, such as Blackwell Reference 2015 Text 1. After you apply, the Blackwell custom text is now available for use. Collection custom text allows you to add collection level notes to your records in the specified field and subfield of your MARC Records profile. Custom texts are created within the collection, so the data in the custom text Blackwell Reference 2015 Text 1 will be added to the 590 field, subfield A for your records in the Blackwell Reference Online 2015 collection. Under Knowledge Base Collection 856 field section, you can include the KB URL from the collection. Under the 856 field section, you can specify to retain specific URLs as well as delete or add subfields. Under the Customized Local Data section, select whether you want to include your local data. In the Record Delivery tab, select the record format, delivery frequency, and file output for all collections. Select Format, MARC 21, MARC 8. In the delivery frequency, note that the delivery frequency is for all collections and it can be overridden at the collection level as needed. Select the frequency for file delivery as daily. Under the File Output section, select whether to have separate files for Serials records and/or WorldCat Holdings records. And then you can select whether to embed linked data uniform resource identifiers in your MARC records. In the Reports accordion, sign up to receive reports via email for your library's files of MARC records. Signing up for reports can serve as notifications for when your library's files of records are ready for download. Choose Yes to receive reports via email. Enter a cataloging authorization. Select the report types you want to receive. Enter the email addresses to send the reports. Choose the report format as well as how you want to receive the report. After you finish with your customizations, click Save to save your library's settings. The next step is to create your collections and enable MARC Records for each of these collections, as well as customize settings and overrides, if any, for each collection. If you need help enabling MARC Records, please visit https://help.oclc.org for documentation, training, and contact information for OCLC support in your region. Thank you.